I've made a lot of hot sauce recently with all kinds of fruit, but now it's time to find out if the impossible's possible. Can we make banana hot sauce? We're using bananas, riper the better, with a good amount of banana freckles. Peel those curvy bastards and chop them into pieces. Heat some oil in a pan, add that banana and cook over a high heat until the bananas are nicely caramelized. Then dash in some dark rum, and if you're feeling it, set the whole thing ablaze. Once the flames die down, chop up some chilies and add them to the pan along with some raisins. Mix everything together and add some white wine vinegar, water and a good pinch of salt. Bring the whole lot up to the boil, cover with a lid and simmer for 15 minutes or until the chilies and the bananas are soft. Once cooked, place into a blender along with a generous squeeze of lime juice, then blitz everything together until silky smooth. Give it a taste, add extra rum as needed, and that's pretty much it. I was blown away by just how good this banana hot sauce was. That banana works as a brilliant sub for sugar in the sauce, so if you like a sweet kick, this one's for you. Of course, I heated it up with a little bit of butter, drowned some chicken wings and went to town on those banana-y bastards. Try this one out because it will surprise you. Make that sauce, coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.